Few things in this world are more valuable than a good night's sleep. Great sleep simply makes us feel good and allows us to be alert and energized for our day's activities. But not everyone sleeps well. In fact, in America, you could argue that we are in a sleep crisis. More Americans than ever report loss of sleep due to disorders like insomnia. Too little sleep over a long period of time can lead to a host of health and safety problems, from depression to poor memory, from weight gain to numerous chronic diseases, and from heightened emotions to automobile crashes. Chronic poor sleep makes us, feel miserable. You have probably tried to get better sleep, but to no avail. Yet it is possible to have the sleep you always dreamed of. Restful, restorative sleep that enables you to remain sharp and alert at all times, and even to enjoy life again. How different would your life be if you experienced a deep, restful, and rejuvenating sleep night after night? Imagine going to bed, turning off the light, putting your head on your pillow, and falling asleep in minutes. It is possible. The secrets of restful sleep.